Yeah guys, today I'm going to test a very interesting device for you, and that's an automatic USB disconnected device. That's this device here. This small device can automatically detect the charging speed and then fully disconnect the power for extra safety, or even to extend the battery life for your phone or some other devices. I mean, usually phones or tablets or power bank and other devices are controlling the charge current automatically and are reducing the charging speed if they are pretty full. But sometimes this logic can fail, or even some low trickle charge can produce quite some heat. And we never know what's going to happen with lithium-ion batteries, which are still connected, still charging. We all know about the risk. And so here's where this device is stepping in, controlling everything and saying, okay, whatever device you're charging, it's pretty full and I'm going to fully disconnect. And it's not doing the disconnection electronically, but actually mechanically. I think that's a good choice. And so let's see how this works. Of course, we have to connect the power here inside. Doesn't have any power. It just takes the power from the normal power supply. So we put that in between of the cable or plug with the power supply and the device which we are going to charge, for example, like that. And you can see it charges absolutely normal, absolutely no problem. Here in this case, you can see it's charging with 0.4 amps. And so we have one button here which you can use to choose at which current we want to have the cut off. I think by default it's in the white setting. When we push here, you can see a little bit of white light, which means it would cut off below 0.7 amps, which we have already. But of course, this device has built-in electronics, some AI built in, where it's controlling what's happening here. And as long as the current is fluctuating up and down, it's not cutting off, because that could indicate that somebody is working, for example, on a phone. So even though it's usually below 0.7 amps, it's not just cutting off, and that's up to 100 minutes. After 100 minutes, it would still cut off as a safety precaution. But here in this case, it would just check for a little bit and then it would disconnect. So I keep recording here. And so it didn't take very long. You can see the charge is totally disconnected. There are no LEDs flashing anymore. You can see what has happened. The voltage has been lowering and then totally dropped to very, very low. And then the logic here inside said that's enough and was totally cutting off then the power, as you can see. And then it has pushed away this control block away from the charger, so it's not charging anymore. Of course, we can push it back and charge it again. By the way, for chargers, recommend to change the mode into the blue mode, and we do that with pressing here. So you can see it's white and we push again, so it goes into blue. So always when there's the light on, we can switch the mode between white, which has a cutoff of 0.7 amps, and the blue, which has a cutoff of 0.1 amps, which is then rather suitable like for power banks, which are really cutting off the charge pretty much to zero. So total different thing when we want to charge a phone. So it doesn't automatically change the mode. You can see it stays into blue. If you don't know in which state it is, we just push here. If you want to change, we push and then push again. For example, here to white, you can see it's charging here. And of course, like always with a phone, even when it's pretty full, usually we have quite some spikes here. And during this time, of course, it's not cutting then the power off. Only when the AI logic of this Benesunny here inside sees that the current is pretty flat, it's then checking the level, and when it's too low, it's also then disconnecting automatically. And so it has also disconnected. You can see what happened here. It had a few spikes and then less and less, and then the charge current dropped even more, and then the logic here inside said no, that's okay. It looks like the phone is fully charged, which I guess we can confirm. You can see pretty full 96% here which is more healthy anyway than fully charge it to 100%. A lot of phones are already actually cutting off the charge at around 80% if you are activating battery optimization. But here with this Benesunny USB guard or USB disconnector, we have even a physical device here in between controlling that, so you don't have to be worried anymore about overheating, overcharging whatsoever. And so if you want to add some extra safety, then that's the device for you. I've tested it already a couple of times. It has been really working, reliable. Never let my devices overcharge. Always disconnected when it was the time to disconnect, no matter if it's in the 0.7 amps mode or the 0.1 amps mode. And so, very interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. It's also not very expensive. Currently, as of August 2026, it's even below $20. But of course, price can always fluctuate. But I think still a very interesting device with a function which a lot of people don't expect that something like that exists. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.